Today, NSUI Goa met the registrar regarding an urgent issue of BOC students. BOC students तांचे PD, the program director and the department due to failure in the skill course तांका promote करी नसले. And as per the ordinance, अशे खंयच बरोवंक ना की students should be debarred to go for next academic year. So to discuss that, we met the registrar आणि विस्तारान आमच्यानी चर्चा केली की as per ordinance कांयच अशें बरोवंक ना की भुरग्यांक तुमी प्रमोट करूंक शकना. आणि रजिस्ट्रार सुद्धा मान्य करता की ऑर्डिनन्सा प्रमाणे हांकां फुडें वचपा खातीर प्रमोट करपा खातीर शक्य आसा. So registrar has assured us ki along with the PD and along with the dean of the school, they will discuss this matter and they will make sure that हे जे students are, BOC students are, हांचो एक वर्स पिरियड जावचो न्हय आनी हांकां कंटिन्यू करपाक दिवचो. We thank the registrar that he has taken this issue positively and we hope that the decision will come soon in the interest of BOC students. आणि BOC कोर्स जो हा अख्ख्या गोंयांत 3 कॉलेजींत लागता. एक गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी, एक खांडोला कॉलेज आणि एक दामोदर कॉलेज. So your issue is for 3 colleges. So registrar has told that the statutes the statute is not properly structured. The statutes are revised totally and they will make sure the statute is pro student so that the student doesn't lose one precious years.